High scale guys, today we have indicator Instaweigh model I10. It also can be Ohaus or Norac, they are the same. To go to the calibration menu, you should open the indicator, unscrew the bolts, this splatter will be here, you will remove the splatter, and here you have switches. Switch number 2 should be on to enable the calibration. Then you close the indicator, plug the power, like this, turn on the indicator, and to go to the calibration menu you should press Terra button and hold until setup will shows. So now we have setup. To go to the calibration we press and hold Terra again. Now we have dead load, it's calibrating 0, I have nothing on the scales, it's 0. I press Terra button again, and now it's asking about 5,000 pounds. And let's put 5,000 pounds. $530. We will wait until it will be 510. 5,000, and I press Terra button, and it's calibrating now. It's calibrated already. Now it's asking about 10,000 pounds. So now we put in 10,000 pounds. And when it will be 10,000 pounds, we will press the Terra button. And now it's good. Let's press Terra button to go to the waiting mode, and now we have 99, 70, 70, 70, calibration done. If you need any advices like how to change grade side, capacity and stuff like this, write, ask, and we will definitely help you.